Hey guys, so this is for the video for lab lab 4 for CIS 5 G++ methodology. What it wants us to do is to create these functions and to give those and to use this array for the lab. And then what it wants us to do is to do animate to show all of this and this. These are the functions we'll go over in a bit. For int main, we're just gonna make the constant size equal to 5. The score size 65, 82, 90, 45, 78. We're gonna print out the original score, and then we're gonna go to calculate score size. And then what this does over here is basically a pointer. So what it does is that it points all the way back over here to 65, basically telling it the address, right? And then it just goes on from there. And it goes on and recalls and refers back to it. And it just basically is a 4-iron range to make sure that to basically just add up the entire thing that's over here, that all up, and to get average and some int size, right? Same thing, it refers back to over there, and it does the sum being from here and from here divided by the size of it, and then pointer again over here. Parameters bonus plus equals 5, and it adds on plus 5. And then the constant, this is also being a pointer as well. Constant of integer of array, and int size. Int highest equals 0. The starting element being the 65. And then it's going to find the highest within the 4-iron range. And then it adds on equal to the highest. Now, why is there a constant? Basically the constant, to make sure it only reads the score so it doesn't add on or adjust anything onto it. And it just keeps on from there. And then it returns that. And then the thing for the void is that, let's see here. What function was that a part of again? Add bonus. So add bonus, add bonus. Oh, go after bonus. Yeah, it gets recalled back over here in this function. So this is basically what the thing should look like. Original score 65, 82, 90, 45, 78, and then the sum should be 360. The average should be 72, and then scores after should be plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, and the highest score should be 95, moving from here. And then the numbers passed would be 4. Alright, let's stay on change. Alright, okay. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video.